Hi, this is Chris from needlepointers.com. We have a video that shows how to install Kam Snaps into a project. Now what happens if you install the Kam Snaps incorrectly and you need to remove one? How do you do that? Well, I'm here to show you today how you can remove some Kam Snaps from your project without damaging the fabric. A lot of these options do seem to result in the Kam Snap pieces kind of flying away from the fabric. So when you're trying to remove a Kam Snap, be really careful because we don't want it to fly up into your eye. One of the options is to use a pair of jewelry pliers, and you would put the jewelry pliers around the Kam Snap like this and try to work your way underneath it and break the center. The key is that you want to get rid of the center where the point got squished down, and that will remove the Kam Snap. So with the jewelry pliers, you can get underneath there. I found that it was hard to get them underneath, and it also really made the stuff fly around when I did actually get them underneath. Another option is to use cuticle scissors or toenail clippers. You can use the cuticle pliers or scissors to cut the center of the Kam Snap completely out. It might take a bit of cutting just to get that center out. Once you get the center cut out, then you should be able to pop the back off without damaging your fabric. For this one, it's really hard to get even the toenail clippers or the cuticle scissors inside there. I found it's easier if you just kind of cut off the whole thing, and that went flying. So again, be careful when you're doing this. It's best if you kind of put your finger a little bit over top to keep the pieces from flying all over the place. And then once you get the sides out, you can then cut the center. And again, then once the center's gone, you can pop the Kam Snap apart. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to remove Kam Snaps. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Like and share our videos, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss future videos. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other sewing tutorials and projects. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly newsletter so you won't miss new tutorials. Happy sewing!